Hi, my name is Satvik. I belong to team E17A7, which is allow reviewers to bid on what to read. In this project, it's mainly an extension for the bidding algorithm which we use for the topic selection. So we work to extend the current bidding algorithm and use it for the conference review, conference papers, where reviewers select to review all the submissions in the conference. And our project mentor is Professor Edward Winter. This is the second video we are making for this project. Here I'm going to discuss about the manual testing. And in the previous video we discussed about the design of the algorithm, and we have briefly explained about the code which we wrote. So let me go to the watch. Created sample inlet which is nothing is yet enabled bidding for these. This assignment has 4 users. Here they select the first student is student 1660, who bid on 2 topics, which is topic 3 on topic 1, and this is preference. The topic 3 is the highest percentages, and similar to that, we go to student 16661, where he bid on test 1 and test 3, and similarly, student 1662, he bid on test 1 and test 2, and 1663. Student 1663, he bid on test 2 and test 3. And in this scenario, I'm gonna discuss about the situation where each student has their own preference list. And let's try to run the bidding algorithm. Let me go back to the analysis where we can do run the run internship algorithm. Let me organize the student as the instructor. So here we go to test 2 assignment, and let me run the run intelligent assignment over here. It reloads the same page of the assignment, and you can see the completed status over here. The intelligent assignment is successfully completed for the test. And we can go to the edit page of the test 2 assignment, where we get to see the topic selection, topic assignment for each user. Here we go, and we don't see any option of run intelligent assignment over here, which is previously there, because we already ran the assignment. We already ran the we're going inside the test 2 assignment, and let me get the topics tab, where we can see the assignment of the topics. Over here, we see student 161 is assigned to test 1. Let me go back to student 161's assignment. And test 1 is the highest which he gave, and he is the first person to get assigned to that particular topic. And 1662. And even 1662 is test 1 is his highest priority. So we get to assign that, and 1660. And 1660 is the second priority. So he also gets to get that into that particular topic. And let me check the 1663's didn't show interest in that particular topic, and it's not yet assigned. The maximum limit for each topic is 3. So only 3 students or 3 teams get access to that particular topic. And if you look at the scenario of where test is preferred by 1663, text is the top level, and you go to 1662 as well. Here is 1662. He also preferred the topic 2. they both got assigned to that particular topic. And furthermore, the student is here we can see that each student has maximum of so the student has three selections here. See, in test 1 there is 1661, in test 2 there is 1661, and text 4 there is 1661. Over here only one particular, there is a limit for the team also, how many selections you can make, and the team has a limit of 3, so 1661 got us 3 topics, and the topic also has a limit of 3, so each topic can be assigned to 3 teams of students. So that's what happened over here, and this is a scenario where each student has their preferences. And let me go to the second scenario where uh, user doesn't have any preferences at all. So here I created a sample test 3 assignment with 6 topics in it, and there are 4 users, 4 student participants in that particular test 3 assignment, and user 1640 has no preference. Similar to that, 1641 doesn't have any preference, and 162 same situation. So all the users in this particular project doesn't have any preferences, and we try to run the fitting algorithm for this topic, which is test 3. We go back to the analysis page. Let's open back to the page. Here we go. This is test 3 which I explained, and here we are on the learning division assignment over here. Okay, the user successfully completed the test 3, and can go to the edit page of the particular assignment and go to the topics. So each team, let me go to the edit page of test 3. Here we can see student 1641, 1642, and 1643. Each gets assigned to test 4, test 1, and test 6. This is based on random selection, and 1640 gets assigned to test 1, test 2, test 3. As test 4, test 5, test 6 has reached their maximum limit, so student 1640 gets assigned to different topics. So this is a case where it doesn't have any stop. And looking at the third scenario, for this I created a test 4 assignment with 5 topics in it, and in this scenario it's a mix of users with having preferences and users without preferences, and there are 3 participants for this test 4 assignment, and student 1620 has 2 preferences. Similarly, 1621 has 2 preferences, but there is a user 1622 with no preference at all. And we run the building assignment for this particular scenario. Let me go back to the main page where we get to the end. Here we go. Now this is just where we set this custom, and I'm gonna click on the interface. It successfully ran for this assignment. Let's take some time to load the page. Here we go. This is a test tool, and let me go to the edit page for the test tool. Another topics tab. So here we have 3 participants. They are 1620, 1621, and 1622. 1622. So even the user 1622 who doesn't have any preference gets assigned to different topics, because he gets score of a score even without any preferences. You get the topic based on some random calculations. So there are 621 and 62 got topics based on the selections based on the topic preferences. So here 620 selected topic 5 and topic 1 and topic 5. So 620 is assigned to topic 5 and we select topic 2 as well. So it hits assigned to topic 2. So topic 1 and topic 2 is a random selection because the max limit for each team to get assigned to topic is 3. So he gets assigned to topic 2 as well. Whereas for the user 1621, he selects topic 2 and 3 as his preference. Go back to the selection. So it's 2-1 with topic 2 and 3. So topic 2 is assigned with 2-1 student, and topic 3 is also assigned with student 1621. So, and he gets to assign to topic 1 because of the limit, which is 3. So that's how it's done for 1621. And 1621 without any preference, it gets assigned to 3 different topics. That's topic 2, topic 1, and topic 5. Sorry, no, that's student 1622. Without any preference, it gets assigned to topic 3, topic 2, and topic 1. So it is a mixed scenarios where which participants have preferences and without preferences. And here by this I cover all the different 3 scenarios in E17A7 test. Thank you for watching.